Never believe it. But Plumber is going to become a dentist right now. I'm in a dentist office, Grosse Pointe, Michigan. They said, hey, we need you to perform surgery on our patient.
Sir,
Do you hear him?
teeth clean.
Oh, snap, here we go. I can't believe this. We're going to do this live, guys. I'm Plumber, going to turn dentist. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Hello, sir. What's your name?
Diamonds.
Diamonds. Nice to meet you.
Diamonds.
Nice to meet you.
Need my teeth clean.
I'm the doctor here.
Need my teeth clean.
We're just going to grab this tool. Shit. This fucking's amazing. Yep, just rinse a little bit. Rinse a little bit. I'm doing this, guys. All right, it's time for a shot. Novocaine. All right, just open up wide, okay? My hand's a little shaky. Oh, yeah. No, lay down. No, what we got to do is we got to put a little lead in it. Lead in your cavity. All right. He's good now. We're going to go on to the next patient. Oh, they all ran. All the rooms are empty. This is crazy. I'm in a dentist's office, and all my patients have left after him. It's like a ghost town. Like no one's been here since 1967. I don't understand what's going on, but I'm going to leave this place.
Ruin my teeth.
It's a zombie. A plumber zombie.
Ruin my teeth.
Like and subscribe.